Okay, so we're going to start here with the Adams County, Iowa original webpage and just explain a little bit why it's not working. There's type everywhere, there's links everywhere, there's random phone numbers everywhere, there's a photo of the courthouse, which doesn't really make a lot of sense because it's not even Adams County, Iowa, it's just their courthouse. So anyways, it just doesn't seem necessary on the homepage. And so now we'll go to my site. Here we're on the homepage. We've got 5 headings at the top so you can easily find what you need. There's not a lot of clutter. We've got search bar right there. If you just want to search something really fast, there's upcoming events. So the user will be informed of things that are coming up. So if they want to get involved, they can. Recent news. That's going on in Adams County, and then we've got all these links down here. So the homepage just already works a lot better because it's got more information. It's easier to look at and find things that you need, and it's more accessible for the user. Next, we're going to go to the voting precincts page. So on the original site, they kind of just threw a bunch of information in these pictures. So this is the same information that they had on the original site, but I just organized it in a way that would be easier to read. So we've got each district here color-coded. So basically all you need to do is figure out where you live and then match it, and then you know exactly where you're supposed to go. And then we've got the links again down here for easy access. And then next we'll go to the driver's test. And here I wanted a way for somebody to be able to register for their license or their permit and then schedule when they're going to take it. And here is the next available appointment for their DMV, but if it doesn't work for you, you can always press next available. And then down here is the information on where it is, what time they open and close, and their phone number. And then we've also got the links again. And so I couldn't find a page even on Adams County. They probably have one, but it was so confusing I couldn't even find it. So I think this is easy to use and it's clear exactly what you need to do. And then let's see, we've got the photo history page. It can also be accessed here on Visitor to History if they want to get to know Adams County a little bit more. So we've got some images of the county, and then if you click on them, you can enlarge and get some information about each photo here. And I think this works because it's got some nice layout, so it's really easy to find what you need to do. And it also says here, click to enlarge and recaption, so it's clear. And then lastly, we've got the search here. And then it just lists, if you search for vote, then you've got these options and you can click on them to go to the pages you need. So yep, that's the whole site. I think it works well and it's very clear what you need to do. It's clean and it has nice color. So I hope you enjoyed it, and goodbye.